Well, this is mean old bonbon, and we got some burn on off the smoker. It got kind of late, so these things are really good. I broke them out. I kind of changed the recipe just a little bit. I used on the burn ends here, I used this here, Mrs. Dash Southwest, and then I used Southwest Jalopy, which I said that twice. This here, extra spicy Mrs. Dash. I used brown cayenne pepper, and then I used some of this chili powder, and then I used I used Smucker's apple jelly, the only thing I could find, and I used mild sauce from Taco Bell. Found that at Walmart. And I also Grace. And then I made a pulled pork sandwiches, but it's down there and Grace is right here, so she wants to put her nose in it, and I'm trying to say no. And but it turned out this is what that turned out. And I used a little bit of applesauce, apple cider. Bear with me. I used apple cider from Best, and I use that. So, just a redneck out in the woods, you guys, trying to make a living, trying a little bit something different on the smoker. So that was my part 2. I put the smoker up, but it was dark. It's like 10 o'clock here. So anyway, you guys, and this is the thermal pop. Get one of them. They're really better. Don't use Thermal Pro because they don't work. But Thermal Pop, it's a totally different company. It works. And then also the smoker thermostat works off the smoker. Get yourself a 30-06 smoker, and you can have something turn out like this. And it took me a few hours at 275, and I browned it, and then I put brown sugar on it. Oh, I forgot about the brown sugar. So anyway, I got brown sugar too. I added on there, and a stick of butter, a couple sticks of butter. This is brown sugar I got. That was a Great Western at Walmart. And I went to Walmart, and the butter I used, it is Crystal Farms unsalted, or yeah, unsalted butter. I used that. Turned out pretty good. So anyway, guys, Grace and me are going to probably try the stuff, since it's going to be a little different. But she was retrieving some bottles and she bit her tongue, so I'm not going to make her do any extra work on anything, making her take it easy. Anyway, I'll talk to y'all later.